May I call upon Dr. Kodala Sivaprasad Rao Garu. On behalf of him, Dr. Kodala Sivaramakrishna Garu will be receiving the founding managing trustee. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. May I call upon founding trustee Shri P.S. Ram Mohan Rao Garu. Shri P.S. Ram Mohan Rao Garu. Shri Ram Mohan Rao Garu. Founding board members, please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. 25 years of legacy and the journey we are witnessing the founding members here on the dais. May I request Sri MDS Ramarao Garu to kindly join us next. On behalf of Sri Patkumalli Veera Venkata Satyanarayana Murthy Garu, Sri MDS Ramarao Garu will now receive the felicitation. Next up, may I call upon Sri G. Raghav Reddy Garu, Trustee, Sri Pullareddy Sweets, Sri Raghav Reddy Garu, Sri B. Krishnaya Garu. May I call upon Sri B. Krishnaya Garu. Next up, may I call upon Sri Paturi Ramarao Garu to please come on to the stage. Post that, Sri Satish Reddy Garu on behalf of Dr. Anji Reddy Garu. Sri Paturi Sumant Garu on behalf of Sri Paturi Ramarao Garu. Sri Satish Reddy Garu on behalf of Dr. Anji Reddy Garu. Sri Satish Reddy Garu on behalf of Anji Reddy Garu.